Hi everyone, today we are going to Yodpiman River Walk nearby แม่น้ำเจ้าพระยา At this place, you can enjoy lots of famous foods.
We have made an appointment in front of Suksanari School. There are 5 people in this trip: Cook, June, Pim, Neon, Nan.
And we are going to go by walk. Let's go!
Over the Yodpiman River in Bangkok, Thailand, connecting the district of Panakan and Pimruedee. In English, the bridge is commonly known as Memorial Bridge. However, in Thai, it is the most commonly known as Pimruedee Bridge.
After King Puthayot Phajulaloke Ramawan, the first king of the Chakri dynasty, construction of the bridge was started on 3 December 1929 by Long. Mr. brought England under the supervision of Italian technicians from SNOS. The bridge used to have a double lift bascule Thai lifting mechanism, which is now disused.
At the Yodpiman River Walk.
This is Yodpiman. It includes restaurant and view for chic photograph, which is not that gender, what any age. It can take photos here. Okay, we are going to bring you to look around.
Yodpiman, the most beautiful river bend of the Yodpiman River, is not only a part of breaking scenery but also the first landmark of a nation in the history. This river bend has ever since been the crusade of our nation navigation. It was the first gateway of vessels of known nations traveling to Siam to trade and increase diplomatic ties to Ayutthaya period until Ratanakosin era. Thus, there have been so many history interests all along the great river with the passing time.
Hi, now we are at KFC in Yodpiman River Walk.
KFC, also known as Kentucky Fried Chicken, is an American fast food restaurant chain that specializes in fried chicken. Headquartered in Louisville, Kentucky, it is the world's second largest restaurant chain, as measured by sales.
After McDonald's, with almost 20,000 locations globally in 133 countries and territories as of December 2015. The chain is a subsidiary of Yum Brands, a restaurant company that also owns the Pizza Hut, Taco Bell, and Wing Street chains. This is a fried chicken, chicken pork, french fry, drumstick chicken, tomato sauce, chili sauce, and mashed potato. Let's eat.
And then we are going to interview foreigner. Let's go!
What do you think about Yodpiman River Walk?
Very nice. I think it's a beautiful place here. Yeah? You want to know anything else?
No.
Okay.
Thank you.
Oh, that's all. Yeah, okay.
This place, it's fine. I haven't been here for that long, so it's okay.
And how do you know about this place?
Like Thailand in general or this bay?
This place, Yodpiman.
We sailed across it earlier this week, so we just kind of saw it and decided to go here.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
I got a condo in Manhattan. Baby girl, what's happening? You and your ass invited, so gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for me, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for me, drop it for me. I'm in some beach house in Miami. Wake up with no jammies. Lobster tail for dinner. Pull yourself, that's scary. You got it if you want it. Got it if you want it. Said you got it if you want it. Said no, I if you want it now. Jump in the Cadillac. Anything you want. You deserve it, baby. You deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you. Gold jewelry shining so bright. Strawberry champagne on us. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Sex by the fire at night. Silk sheets and diamonds, all white. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you,